Russelectric manufactures two major categories of transfer switches. We have our mission-critical transfer switches, which are also subdivided into three subcategories, and we have our commercial duty transfer switches. Of the three categories, I'll begin with the RTS-03, and that's available 100 amp through 4000 amp. We manufacture that in automatic and manual transfer, as well as bypass isolation transfer. The 03 in the RTS-03 stands for the withstand and close-on ratings. So in other words, these units can close in and withstand a fault for a duration of 3 cycles. The next category is the RTS-30, and that stands for 30 cycle rated. And again, we have that in 100 through 4000 amperes, same as the RTS-03 in ATS, manual transfer, and bypass isolation. So the 30 in the RTS-30 again stands for the ability to withstand and close in on a fault for a duration of 30 cycles. And in fault current parlance, that's quite a long time. It's about a half a second. And we also have RTS-MV, which is a medium voltage class from 5,000 volts to 15,000 volts with a nominal ampere rating of 1,200 to 2,000 amperes. We have that as well in both automatic and manual configurations, as well as bypass isolation. And then on the other side of the ledger, we have the commercial duty switch, the RTS-CD, and we have that from 100 amp to 400 amp. We have that both in automatic transfer switch and manual transfer switch. Back to the mission critical category, basically in terms of selling, these are a spec'd item, they're an engineered product, they're a premium product, and typically dealer networks and contractors and consulting specifying engineering community would be seeking out projects like this and coming to us for quotation. So there's a little bit more attention paid to this category of switch in terms of the design attributes and how engineered the product is. Whereas on the commercial duty side, it's a little bit more cut and dry. It's a bit more of an off-the-shelf item, and it's basically sold to distributor networks, and there are less abilities to change configurations and accessories, and it's typically a non-spec item.